Good morning, beautiful ladies of my heart. Today is a really intense video. It's actually, I finally received the one I ordered from TikTok, which I thought was the Peter Thomas Roth. It's a knockoff. This is Perfection Eye Tightener. Works on all skin types. Okay. I had to try it before because I wanted to do an honest comparison. So it comes out like a cream, okay? Peter Thomas Roth comes out like a gel. Peter Thomas Roth and then the dupe, or what they say is a dupe. It is not. It does not work. Not like Peter does. So I want to tell you a couple of things, what they say about how to use this. All right, number one, clean, dry skin. They're not kidding. No, you can't have any products anywhere around. So if you have dry eye, this is going to be a challenge. I don't, but I really load up at night when I go to bed, so I'm really hydrated in the morning because you can't have anything on there or it will turn white. Dum, da, da, da. All right, so what I do to make sure I've done all my other skincare, it's clean and dry, is use some micellar water and go like so. Because you don't put it on your eyelid. I made that mistake. Do not put it on your eyelid. So micellar water is gentle, so it's not going to dry you out any further. You know what? I used it on other places on my face. I do not like the tightening feeling. It was all day long, okay? And it was just, I felt like I was, like what it would be if you had Botox, which I've never had. So let's just get right to it. I have it here. It came with a little brush. So I am going to go, make sure it is dry. Everybody's using this because it takes long to dry. Without further ado, wackadoo. I am going to do my worst side, and I'm just going to take a little dab, and I'm going to go, oh, who's coming in? Oh, my dog. All right, I am still working diligently on the CoverGirl. The more I try to fix it, the more I screw it up. I just got to start over. It was 40 minutes and I was trying to get it to 25 or under. No. Okay. So you add it while it's still wet. Don't wait to see if it works. Use the whole little tiny pea size, and it's a mini pea, okay? And put it on the places that you really want to shrink. And that is this eyebrow bone. Jeez. Okay. Where you have it, and you just want to make sure you do little dabs to start. I went down too far and it was just weird. You can use it on these parts of your face, but only if it's clean and dry, so that means no skincare. Okay, maybe you don't do skincare, you wash your face and you don't. Okay, I'm just going to make sure I've used all of it. And not on the eye lid. Oh no. Okay. All right. Did I get it all? I really wanted to try it before so that I could have a really good idea how to work, because the first time I had done my eye cream and let it set for like an hour or whatever, and it still peeled. So you can't have anything on it. I can feel it tightening. All right. It does work. You got to be careful where you put it. If you go down a little far, you're going to have partial crinkles, meaning it's best to keep it around your eye area, out around here. Okay. I feel it. It doesn't feel as tight as yesterday because when I was testing it out, because I accidentally got it on my eyelid, so I felt like I was doing that. Okay, it works. Now this doesn't feel as bad today, so that is great, because yesterday, or I don't know, it might have been the day before, I wore it all day long and I just felt so tight that Yeah, my eyes felt horrible. So stay away from the eyelids, just above and over. So again, see, it smooths it out and blurs. I have not used it with makeup. I just did this and then I did my eyes and stuff like that, but I stayed away. So see, this little puff button. So here's before of my eye, and then here's now. So I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to do the same amount. Okay. Yeah, it feels better today. You can do your fingers too. I'm not sure how long they're going to be adding a brush to their product. Maybe it's always. It's a cute little brush. Okay. This side is less puffy. It's puffy, but it's less. Yeah, stay away from the eyelids. Makes a huge difference today. Oh, yar. It's Pirate Day. All right, let me look up close. I don't know how it's going to do under makeup. I'm doing it in real time. I'm acting like I'm going fast. Okay. So I'm thinking I'm going to come back, not later tonight. Here's a picture of how it wore all day. Okay, this was about 6 hours in. And then this picture is just before bed, so like 8 hours in. And it was starting to come out again. So it's just a temporary fix. But see, it smooths. It's really, it's a thing you need to get used to. All right, ladies, so that's my take. I think it's worth it. And if you get it now while they have the little brush, I think that's really a cool product. This feels so much better today. Of course, I didn't do it all on my face, too. But it really does. You know, on spots. If you want to go for a full, really non-wrinkly look, you could do this. But make sure you have a hydrating foundation to go over it. That's just my take, and I'll let you know some more. Okay, I got to go. I got to keep more preparations for my cousins, and we'll talk to you later. Don't step in anything squishy.